Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. Let me show you this. When I open the door, there's two screw to open this. To open this, you have to open this first. One screw right here, and one screw right there. After open two screw right there, then just pry this one. Just pry from here to come out. See that? It's coming out. Now look, this is a good lock. Other side. Look, when I pull the lock, you see this little white thing, white rivet right there. See, when this rivet is broke, this one is broke, then the lock, this is two part. You see this right here, there's the one right there, and there's this one too. This rivet bring all together like this. When it's broke, this like this is get separate. It's not coming like this together, so that's why it's lock not working. To open this, first of all, you need to open the door panel. To open the door panel, we need to bring the window all the way down, because we need to take this off. See the little take off, just like this. There we go. See that? Right here, don't lose it. After that, you can just pull this. Just pull it, just like this. Coming out. See? That part is coming out. After you open the door from outside, just slide like this. There is one, I think 8mm ball right there. See the ball? The 8mm. This one we need to take it off to pull this door panel. This one is for this door panel, so we need to take it off. So I'm gonna open this. Now just pry this, just pull. See this? It's a plastic clip all over. After that, just take the window switch connector off. Just push it and pull it. Come out. There, just hold in here. Just gently pull. Put something in here. Just pry it. Spread a little bit. After that, just grab this and pull it out. See? It came out. See? I open how it look like. So we need to open this panel. So we need to open all these 10mm bolts right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think the 9 bolt, and one is right there for this one. One is right here. So do not touch this bolt. This is for the glass motor, window motor. Don't touch this in the middle. See this in the middle? Don't touch any of them. Don't touch these two and these two. See, I took all bolt out, like on the end. After I take all this bolt out, we just need to pry this one, this plate. This one, the holding with the rivet, like right here. One rivet here. See this? And the one rivet right there. right there. So I'll show you the rivet how it's holding with the rivet. Now just pry like this. You see it's coming from the rivet. The rivet. You see this? This went to the hole, the rivet. Same thing we need to do from other side too. Right here. There we go. See now, we can pry this. After you pry this, when you pry, you'll see there is a 3 bore, 1 10mm, 2 and 3. I need to take this off. After we take this thing is come very easily not to lose this. When you pull this thing, you need to be careful. You see this? There is a one. You see my finger right there? You need to put to the hole right there. See the hole? It's one inside right there. Take one, and this thing is attached. See on this arm right here. So when you take this off, you see this another thing you have to remember. You see this one right there, right there, right there. There's a little white little hole. The white tab is going to the hole. You see this right there, like this one right here. So you have to put it. That's child lock things go up and down. You need to put it back. When you put this back, you have to remember this. Now you see this one is came. See this? This is the hole right there. I open this one. Look, there's a hole right there. There was a ball right there. 1, 2, and a 3. Those 3 balls you need to open. After there, see this. Let me show you what was the wrong again. When you put it back, see this. These things go this way. See the purple? This tab purple. This one is purple, pink, and the other one is, see the purple, and the pink. Just take one by one. Like take this one off. But first of all, you see this all the way on the top. Just take this off and put this in here. And the second one, take it off, put this in here. Then after that, take the purple one off, this one, and put in here the purple in. Then see the pink one down all the way. Just take the pink one from here and put it in here. That's how you're not gonna miss anything. So you don't have a confuse. If you take like everything, every wire off, then you have a little bit confusing. Or just take the picture on your camera or phone, then you can put which wire is going where. You can do that way too. And after that, you just bolt it in. That's all. That's how you replace this lock mechanism for Toyota Sienna. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.